Today we're gonna react to old video by the comments in the old video of 12-year-old child reveals one of the best kept secrets in the world. I'm reacting to this because this is legit funny. The comments are legit and savage in their own. So like this, I thought she was gonna tell me the no codes or something. Uh, Shut down right there. They thought the 12-year-old was gonna say no codes for America. Why in the hell would YouTube show that to you? And this other one by Chris TV. Have you ever wondered why you're watching this? Followed by I wonder who's the little bitch. It looks like a communist recital, blah blah blah. And this out of the mouth of children will come the truth. Wow, that's downright. Okay, why is YouTube putting down random stuff in the recommended? Okay, this is the reply. Cause you are watching random stuff, which makes you getting recommended more random stuff you can't get out of the spiral, bro. Well, stuck in it. Especially if you comment on the random videos, your fed turns into a circus ring. that was by Toka and Diana show. Uh, okay, let's see. Take a shot of vodka every time she says semi-ever. This video, I didn't cut the video, but I think it has 100 plus have you ever wondered in it. So you pass at drunk and you didn't finish the video before you can even finish the challenge of this one. This is by Hey That's Nasi. Also reply, Hey That's Nasi. Over 10 million people found this video in the recommended section. I don't even give a shit. I saw secret and click on it. I didn't get a shit. Okay, another one. Okay. Isn't it ironic how her name is Victoria and she had a secret? Fuck, the comment in YouTube is so legit funny because they are true. Now it's a question. It started with isn't it? Also, why'd you have to be so rude? Did I like open you or something? Right? So, okay. Okay, Ghostay said, have you ever wondered why water is wet? This one said, Henry Tang said, have you ever wondered why the moon turns green on April 20th? Oh, that's boring. That's a repeatable one. Have you ever? This is recommended to you. Wonder why this shit is in the right. Okay, this is by Isabel Lewis. YouTube seems to be promoting irrelevant 2012 videos, and what's worse, I'm watching this. I'm watching them. Okay, Isabel Lewis, you are just free of time, that's why you're watching this. Someone replied, my dad forced me to smoke cigarette when I was 13. Oh, this is a clickbait. You're the girl from the video. Oh. Okay, Tarek Jacobs comments shows I later only watch gaming videos. Why is this on my recommended? And it was replied with a dot. Have you ever wondered? Then replied by Enoshi, oh, YouTube algorithm now. Hey, watch this random small YouTubers video. Wow, shit, that was savage. Take a shot every time. Okay, this is Blue Zero. Take a shot every time she says, have you ever wondered? If you take a shot, you just killed my brother, bitch. By bitch. Oh. Killer Prophet said, have you ever wondered who keeps kicking your ass in Game of War? I don't know Game of War, so click in the comment if you know. Okay, I'm low, but I'm just gonna let this go into the lowbat state, then end the video. So when this this bar is at 10, I'm gonna stop the comment because this is legit funny. So many comments that's so funny. She's good at memorization, or she's reading a teleprompter. Oh yeah, look at this eyes. This eyes. This eyes is doing at something. She's reading something. That was legit. Cool social media. SGTM replied, "Sexy monkey, how about you speak English from here on out? I recommend." Oh, it's a long. Is Quiz Gar 2322 cute, but she needs to understand the difference between writing for a report, what she is basically reciting, and for representation to different style, design, support, and genuine. And genuine means not really true. Not from the heart. So instead of giving the information being shared here, actual thought, all you take from this is a mispronounced sentence from 12-year-old. That is precisely why the word is doomed. Most of the population don't have the wish to understand events further. Oh, that's deep. Mr. Danger Boy comment. So I'm guessing this video was in your room 2000. So guys, this is the end of the video because I'm going to charge the cell phone, but comment in the bar or subscribes to see another episode of this. I'm going to search another one that is funny. So thank you for watching the video. Goodbye, stay windy.